On what was once a drainage ditch, Robbie Walker designed a tiny house now known as the Sawmill Treehouse. The site was surrounded by tall trees, so the idea was simple: build a home that blended into the forest, yet remained protected from the water and the scorching Australian sun. Built almost entirely from locally sourced lumber, this house proves that beauty doesn't always have to come from something new. Recycled wood, simple steel, and exposed details create an aesthetic that is honest, warm, and down to earth. For steel columns symbolize the tree trunk, while surrounding steel slats act like leaves, filtering light, maintaining air circulation, and protecting the building from extreme heat. This way, the house stays cool without relying on air conditioning. The interior is simple yet functional, creating a space that feels at one with nature. Large windows allow natural light to enter throughout the day, keeping the air fresh without relying on artificial cooling. This house is energy efficient, healthy for its occupants, and environmentally friendly. The building is small, just one bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room. Below, a hidden garage and laundry room utilize the flat area of the land. It's simple, efficient, and functional. The biggest inspiration from this house is its message: with creativity, we can build a comfortable home without being excessive. Even construction waste can be transformed into a beautiful piece of architecture. The Sawmill Treehouse teaches us that eco-friendly homes don't have to be grand or high-tech. Sometimes, with just a little simplicity, awareness, and the courage to see the value in existing materials, we can create a home that is not only beautiful, but also cares for the earth.